Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Mariah. I hope everyone has a safe New Year's. Don't drink and drive. Be safe. I'm about to head to the gym. And then I don't know what I'm doing for New Year's yet. But I'll figure it out. Alright, everyone be safe. Hey YouTube, what's up? So today is New Year's Day. So I hope everyone had a nice time, whatever they did last night or what they're going to do tonight. I got this calendar for Christmas and it's like happy notes, so you take one off each day of the year. So I'm just gonna do the first one. This one says, happiness often sneaks in through a door you didn't know you left open. And this is for January 1st, 2015. So it's Thursday, the day after, or the day of New Year's, and I'm just shopping around for stuff. Say hi, Rain.
No, it's on your bag.
So we're just picking up a few things. I got some new Nike shoes. So I'm excited for those. I actually have some Nike shoes now. So that's that. Hey, what's up guys? I'm at the gym. Today I'm going to do arms and abs. And tonight there's actually surprisingly a lot of people. But probably because a lot of people's New Year's resolutions is to get in the gym and work on their fitness and things, which is great. But it might be a little hard for me to record today, but I'm gonna try. Maybe a few things, not everything though. So yeah, let's get started. I'm home from the gym now, and what sucks about it was that I couldn't get a lot of recording of my workouts today because my phone died, and so I didn't even get to tape any abs or barely any triceps, so it's mostly just biceps. So sorry about that, but now I'm gonna have my post workout snack and I will show you what I eat. Okay, so here I have my BCAA drink that I take after my workout to help with like recovering of muscles, stuff like that. Now I'm going to use my scale. I'm going to turn it on and set it to grams. Okay. Okay, so you want it on 0. Then I set my bowl on there. Now I'm gonna take my egg whites and do, let's see, 3 of the serving sizes. So I'm going to do 100, and when it says 138 grams. Okay. I poured a little too much. That's okay, close enough. Maybe I'll actually just pour some out, just so I don't have too much. Okay, then I take my Pam olive oil, which is really good. Spray it all over the pan. Voila. Turn the fire on. Then dump my egg whites. So next what I'm going to do is measure my bowl again. Then set it to 0. Now I'm going to take my cottage cheese, which I get the Smith's fat-free cottage cheese, small curd. Then I'm only going to do a half a cup, which is, we want it to say 113 grams. Okay, a little too much. Perfect. 113. So that's a half a cup. Guys, you might think this is going to taste a little bit gross, but honestly, it's like the best post-workout snack, I think, because it's so much protein. And I love egg whites and cottage cheese, so why not just mix them together? So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna stir these up, and it is delicious. So I hope you guys try this. Alright guys, I'm gonna get going for tonight. But I will see you all tomorrow, and we'll go over the next happy quote of the day. I think those are really fun, and it kind of is motivating, like to stay positive and happy. So I think those are great. Okay, eat your protein, do your workouts, whatever you need to do, and see you tomorrow.